This tutorial is going to cover customer visits. What can you accomplish on a customer visit? How do you justify it to your boss? We'll talk about a number of ways of determining that. So the learning objectives for this tutorial: why visit a customer at all? What are the tangible benefits of going out and visiting a customer, or even doing it virtually? Where is the return on the invested time and dollars to do a customer visit? And then we'll talk about some things that you should do in preparation before a visit and while you're with the customer, and follow-up actions that you should take when the visit is over. So why a customer visit at all? Well, it gives you a chance to meet the contacts that you're dealing with on a day-to-day basis, face-to-face. You can better understand what their business is all about, what challenges the business is facing, what the opportunities are for both their business and your companies. And you can ask them questions about, how are we doing? How are we doing as a vendor? How are our products holding up? Are you making a profit off of our products? Do we send you products to the right place? Are there damaged goods? Are we sending the quantities that you're looking for? Are you looking for an addition to your purchases, where maybe we should talk about an increase in your line of credit? If you're on site, it gives you an opportunity to walk through their place of business. Very, very important. You can assess any issues that you identify, which we'll be talking about in some detail during this presentation.